Hello everyone, my name is Vidya Lakshmi and I am currently pursuing my BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and I belong to our department of Basic Science. And today I'm going to speak about the subject Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, subject code BSCK104D, and I belong to a branch of Artificial Intelligence, and today's topic is about electrical and hybrid vehicles. What is electric vehicle? An electric vehicle is defined as a vehicle that can be powered by an electric motor that draws electricity from a battery and is capable of being charged from an external source. An electric vehicle includes both vehicle that can be only powered by an electric motor that draws electricity from a battery and a vehicle that can be powered by an electric motor that draws electricity from a battery and by an internal combustion engines. An electric vehicle is an automobile that is propelled by one or more electric motors using electric energy stored in a energy storage device. Electric vehicles are increasingly becoming a part of modern life. Electric vehicles uses electricity saved in a battery to cycle the motor and generate the power necessary for driving. This is the biggest difference to internal combustion vehicles, in which the engine uses a fossil fuel to generate that power. Electric vehicles carry several components of electric power: motor, battery on a board charge, and electric power control unit. All are essential components to achieve the conversion of the battery's electricity into the kinetic force that drives the electric vehicles forward. Now let us discuss about advantages of electric vehicles. Firstly, reduces air pollution, better for our energy security, less noise and smooth motion, cost effective, low maintenance. These five are the main points. Firstly, reduces air pollution, eco-friendly, because electric vehicles do not utilize the fuel from combustion. There are no emissions of gases. Vehicles that run on a fossil fuel emits hazardous gases. Next, better for our energy security. Almost 85% of Indian soil needs are transport related. Therefore, rapid adoption of electric vehicles would help in reducing India's crude oil import. Less noise and smooth motion. Driving an electric car are significantly smoother because they lack fast moving elements. They are quieter and produces less noise. Cost effective. Electric vehicles are far lesser expensive than the fuel vehicles such as gasoline and diesels, which are subjected to a regular price increasing. Next, low maintenance. Because electric cars have fewer moving components, wear and tear is reduced when compared to a traditional auto parts. Repairs are also simpler and lesser expensive than the combustion engine. Disadvantages of electric vehicles. First, high maintenance cost, charging station limited, charging takes time, limited option, fire hazards. High maintenance cost, electric vehicles contain to be quite expensive. The purchase price of an electric car tends to be higher than the petrol or diesel vehicles. Charging station limited. People who need to travel a long distance are concerned about finding a quiet charging stations in the middle of the journey. Next, charging takes time. In petrol and electric vehicles, which requires only a few minutes to fill their gas tanks, but in the charging vehicles, we require hours together to charge the vehicles. Next, limited options. Currently there aren't many electric cars models to pick from in terms of appearance, styles, or customized variation. Fire hazards. Possibility of fire hazards is more in electric vehicles. These are the pictures of electric vehicles. Now let us discuss about a hybrid vehicle. The term hybrid vehicle is generally used to refer a vehicle with two or more different types of sources delivering a power to the wheels for propulsion. The most common hybrid vehicle has an IC engine and one or more electric vehicles for a vehicle propulsion. The IC engine can be used to generate electric energy on board to power machines. A hybrid vehicle is one that uses two or more distinct types of powers, such as submarine that uses a diesel and one source to batteries when the submarine. Now, let us discuss about the components of hybrid vehicles. The main components of hybrid vehicles are gasoline engine, electric motor, fuel tanks, hybrid electric vehicles, transmission, batteries, generators, met. Now, let us discuss about the advantages of hybrid vehicles. Environmental friendly, financial benefit, less dependence on fossil fuel. Environmental friendly. One of the biggest advantage of hybrid cars over a gasoline power car, that is that it runs a cleaner and has better gas mileage, which makes it environmental friendly. A hybrid car runs on a twice powered engine that cuts off fuel consumption and conserves the energy. Next, financial benefit. Hybrid cars are supported by many credits and increment that helps to make them affordable. Less dependence on fossil fuel. A hybrid car is much cleaner and require less fuel to run, which means fewer emission and less dependence on fossil fuel. This in turn helps to reduce the price of gasoline in the domestic market. Now, let us discuss about our disadvantages of hybrid vehicles. Less power can be expensive, poor handling. Less power. Hybrid cars have a twin-powered engine. The gasoline engine, which is a primary source of power, is much smaller as compared to what you get in a single engine powered cars. While the electric motor is of low power, the combined power of both is often lesser than that of a gas powered engine. Can be expensive. Hybrid cars are comparatively more expensive than the regular petrol cars. Poor handling. A hybrid car has a gasoline powered engine, a lighter electric engine, and a packed powerful battery. This adds a weight and eats up external space in the cars. Extra weight results in the fuel inefficiency, and manufacturers cut down a weight, which has resulted in motor and better downsizing and less expensive in suspension and body. Next, let us see a diagram of hybrid vehicles. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.